Hi guys, I'd like to talk to you today about solving a 2-digit plus 2-digit number using an open number line. What is an open number line? An open number line is simply a line that's open. It has no numbers on it, it has no markings on it. We place the numbers and the markings on the line as we need to in order to solve a problem. I love the open number line, because it is a great way for you to express your mathematical thinking strategies using place value. You know, we say to you guys all the time, show us your thinking. Well, with the open number line, you're able to do just that. You're able to show us your thinking using place value. So let's begin. Our first problem is 47 plus 24. And we're trying to find the sum. Our add-ins are 47 plus 24, and we're trying to find the sum. Well, when we use the open number line, we always start with the largest number. And in this case, 47 is the larger number. So I will place 47 on the number line because it is the larger number. We want to take as few hops as possible on this number line. If I had started with 24 first, then I would need to take a lot more hops on the number line to add 47. So I'm going to always start with a larger number. Okay, so I started with 47, and now remember that word decompose? Decompose means to break numbers into smaller parts. And we decompose to break numbers into smaller parts so that we can use them to help us, in this case, add more easily. So we'll use our place value knowledge and we will decompose 24 into tens and ones. So 24 can be decomposed into 2 tens and 4 ones. That's 24, isn't it? 2 tens and 4 ones. We know that 2 tens is 20 and 4 ones is simply 4. So now that we have 47 here on the line, we simply need to add 24 to the line. And we will do that by adding 2 tens to the line. So we will do 2 hops or 2 jumps of 10. So I'll go ahead and do 1 hop and 2 hops. 2 hops of what? 2 hops of 10. So plus 10, that's 1 hop of 10, plus 10. So now I have 2 tens on my line. So 47, and now I've added 2 tens to the line. So 47, what is 47 plus 10? I add my marking here. Yes, it's 57, isn't it? All right, 57 plus 10, add my marking. What is 57 plus 10? Yes, it's 67. So we just added our 2 tens to the line. We did 2 hops of 10. 1 hop, 2 hops of 10. The only thing left to do now is to add 4 ones. So we'll make smaller hops. So we'll do 4 smaller hops. Okay? 1 hop, 2 hop, 3 hops, 4 hops. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hops of 1. Now I need to start here at my 67 where I left off, and I just add 1 more. 67 plus 1 more is 68. Careful to add my marking to the line. 68 plus 1 is 69. 69, add 1 more, and I get 70. 70, add 1 more, and I get 71. So 47 plus 24 equals 71. Let me make sure that I did that right. That's a lot of work, and I want to make sure that I did the work properly. 47 plus 24. I started with 47. Did I add 24? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So yes, I did add 24. 47 plus 24 equals 71. Easy, isn't it? Let's do another one. I think you're going to like it. All right, I think I better move this up here. We've solved that problem, so it's okay. Let's go here, and now we'll solve 34 plus 62. Oh, I already told you guys what the answer is. Okay, so forgive me for that. I'm sorry. Let's see if I'm right. How about that? Let's use the number line to see if I'm right. Okay, 34 plus 62. We always start with a larger add-in. We always start with a larger number. 62 is the larger number here. Remember, we want to take as few hops as possible on the number line. So I'll start with 62. Remember, we said that in addition, we can add in any order, right? That's the commutative property of addition. It says that we can add 34 plus 62, or we can say 62 plus 34. It does not matter the order that we add. That's what the commutative property of addition means. We can add in any order. That's not true for subtraction, but that is true for addition. Keep that in mind. 62, now we need to decompose 34 because 62 is now here on our line, and we just simply need to add 34 to the 62. So I will decompose using place value. I will decompose 34 into 3 tens and 4 ones. Now Miss Jacob already has a sum here, but we're going to check to make sure that I'm right. 62, we need to do 3 hops of 10. So I'll do 1 large hop, 2 large hops, 3 large hops, and I will label my line with tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. We needed to add 3 hops of 10. All right. 62 plus 10 is, yes, it's 72. 72, add 10, 82. 82, add 10, 92. So we just added our 3 tens. Let's add our 4 ones. I'll make smaller hops. 1, 2, 3, 4 hops, 4 ones. Add 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I left off at 92. I need to add 1 more to the line, and I will get 93. 93 plus 1 is 94. 94 plus 1 more is 95. 95, add 1 more is 96. Whoa, so Miss Jacob was right after all. I love that we were able to use this number line to find that out. Okay, so let me just double check my work. That's a lot of work, so I don't just want to keep going on. When I go back and check, did I do that right? 62 is what we started with because of the commutative property of addition, which means we can add in any order. So let's place 62 on the line, and then did I add 34 to my line? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So yes, I did add 34 to my line. 62 plus 34 equals 96. Let's do one more, and then you get to practice this strategy all on your own. Let's do 51 plus 34. What's the larger add-in? It's 51, isn't it? So we place the larger addend on the line. In this case, it's 51. Notice, I'm putting a marking on the line. 51, so that means since 51, I'm starting with 51, that means that I need to decompose the other addend. So I will decompose the other addend into 3 10s and 3 1s. 3 10s and 3 1s. 33 is the same as 3 10s and 3 1s. Okay, so this means that I need to take 3 hops of 10 on my number line. So here I go. 1 big hop, 2 big hops, 3 big hops. 3 big hops of what? 3 big hops of 10. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. Now let's go back and add the markings on the line and let's do our addition. I love working with friendly tens, don't you? 51, add 10, 61, right? What's 61 plus 10? You're right, 71. What is 71 plus 10 more? 81, you're right. So I just added my 3 10s to the line. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. Now I'll add 3 1s to my line. 1 smaller hop, 2 smaller hops, 3 smaller hops. 3 smaller hops of what? 3 smaller hops of 1s. So we're going to add 1s to the line. 1, 2, 3. I added 3 1s. Now let me go back and add my markings. 81 plus 1 is, you got it, 82. 82 plus 1 is 83. 83 plus 1 is 84. So 51 plus 33 equals 84. The sum is 84. Let's make sure that I'm right. Did I add 33 to 51? I started with 51. Did I add 33? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yes, I did. So 51 add 33 and I get 84. 51 plus 33 equals 84. That's what you're going to do today. A lot of fun, isn't it? A lot of fun, a lot of hopping going on. Be very careful. I will say this. As you are hopping, make sure that you spread your hops out so that your numbers are not so close together that you can't use them to help you solve the problem. Spread your jumps out far enough, or your hops out far enough, so that you can see what you are writing on your line. Be careful to put markings on your lines also. Make sure you show your markings. And when you do, you should show smaller hops here, but the hops should be still spaced out enough so that you still can see what you've written when you do your hop. Okay, are you ready for this? I will be so excited. We will be so excited to see your thinking. Go Butler Broncos! Show what you know about the open number line. I can't wait to see. Have fun!